How to view your super likes on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your super likes on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click the three lines and stop, and here you will find your profile. Click on it, and as you see here you will find this one here. uh, you will find click on your profile, and here you will find super likes. Just click on it, and as you see here you will find your super likes. I don't have any super likes, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.